This is a short tutorial on the audio enhancement pendant microphone systems that we have in our classrooms. The first button is the PWR button. It's the power button, and it's the same button as the mute button. So you'll hold the button down to start it, and then if while it's on, you want to mute yourself for a moment, click the mute button, it mutes you, and then remember to click the mute button again so that you can unmute yourself. Next is the select button. This determines which audio source you are controlling. Each time that you press select, it moves between own, other, and channel 3. Own is the pendant microphone. Other is the handheld microphone. And channel 3 is your desktop computer. Now let's look at the up and down arrows. Once you have a source selected, either own, other, or channel 3, you can use the up and down arrows to control the volume. Remember that whichever light is on is the thing you're going to be controlling the volume on. The INT button stands for intercom, and you use it for calling the office when you need assistance in a non-emergency situation. The triangle button is not yet set up, but eventually will be a button used for contacting dispatch in a dire emergency. Let's look at the emergency features of the pendant microphone, which are on the sides of the microphone. These two buttons on the side of the microphone are to be pressed at the same time and held for 3 seconds if you want to alert the office that there is an emergency that is happening in your classroom. So the buttons on the side are for emergencies, and the INT button is for non-emergencies. The last thing you need to know is that DC in is where you plug in your USB charger to keep your microphone charged. And that's all you really need to know.